In this video, I will be showing you how to add custom thumbnails to your YouTube shorts. Before I dive into the video, I want to make a clarification. You won't be able to design a custom thumbnail for your video. You will just be able to decide what part of your shot you want people to see first. Let's dive into the video. You start by uploading your YouTube shorts. Then you tap on the pencil icon. Here you can always browse through and choose which part of your YouTube shorts you want your viewers to see first. And when you've chosen the right part, then tap done. So let's check the result. As you can see, this is the place I chose, and this is what my viewers will first see. For now, this feature is out for users of Android and iOS, but very soon, I'm pretty sure it's going to be out for desktop users also. This is the end of the video. Until the next one, peace.